Good morning, K3. This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. I'm so happy to be here with you today. Yes, I am. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. And what month are we in? We're in the month of September. That's right. It's the end of September. And can you help me read the date? You can? Let's do it together. Today is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021. Awesome. Okay, so how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. That's right. And how many sounds do the vowels have? Do you know? 2, that's right. Do you know what they are? The short sound and the long sound. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. That's right, a happy face. Now, I have a little question. How many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. Okay, help me read the vowels by saying their sounds. Indian. Umbrella. Do you notice the little happy face on top of it? It means it's the short sound. Elephant. What does the elephant say? Yeah. Apple. Ostrich. Awesome. Now, the name of this letter is A. It makes the sound A, as in apple. A says A. A says A. What's the name of this letter? A. And it makes a sound A, as in apple. That's right. Remember, letters make sounds. And when we put different combinations of letters together, like magic, they make words and they turn into things like this. Apple. Apple. Yeah. Super. Now, I want you to listen to these words, and I want you to tell me what vowel sound it has. Does it have the elephant, or the Indian, or the umbrella? Listen carefully. Are you ready? Bed. What sound does it have? That's right. Bed. It has the S sound. Are you ready for the next one? Mitt. It has the I sound. Mitt. Super. Egg. What sound does it have? Egg. Next one. Pup. That's right. Super. You guys are great at this. Next one. Sit. Indian. Sit. Next one. Bug. Bug. Which vowel sound does it have? That's right. Next one. Tail. What vowel sound does it have? Tail. That's right. Bill. B-I-L. That's right, bill. Last one. Up, up, up. The as an umbrella. Up, up we go. There you go. That is so awesome. You are just amazing. Now, remember, we're learning about the letter A right now. The capital A looks like a teepee with a little door. And the lowercase a looks like a ball with a little handle, okay? So A says ah, ah, ah. A says ah, ah, ah. Can you say it with me? A says ah, ah, ah. One more time. A says ah, ah, ah. Wow, you guys are just amazing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Now, I have something to show you. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Let's do the vowel chart one more time. A, apple. E, elephant. I, Indian. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Super duper duper. Okay, now, do you remember our song? Let's do Old MacDonald had a farm. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a cat. With an here and an there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a hen. With an here and an there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a pig. With an here and an there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a dog. With an here and an there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a duck. With an here and an there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm. Hee-haw! Super duper. Now, in the autumn time, when the leaves start falling from the ground to the ground, from the trees, look at the leaves have changed colors and they're slowly falling. Yes. Do you know what gets picked in autumn time? Let me tell you a secret. In autumn time, the apples ripen and they're ready to get picked off the tree. Can you believe that? Workers pick apples and then the apples are shipped to stores for us to buy. Or they're made into apple juice, applesauce, or apple jelly. Today, look what we have here. We have a tree and we have some apples. And we're going to pick them off the tree. Can you help me pick the apples off the tree? Can you? Yeah, let's put them here. Look at all these apples on the tree. Yummy for my tummy. Apples. Okay, there's a bunch of apples on the trees. And there's a little squirrel and a mouse and a butterfly and a little ladybug. That's like a tree that you drew yesterday in your I Can Draw a House. Yeah. So let's pick a capital A. Where's a capital A? There's a capital A, and it makes the sound apple. Now a little A. Where's a little A? Oh, there it is. It makes a sound apple. Where's a capital A? Capital A. There it is, and it makes a sound apple. Where's another capital A? Oh, there it is, and it makes a sound apple. And last but not least, we have our little A right here, and it makes a sound apple. So let's finish our class today with the Be My Echo song. Are you ready? Here we go. Be my echo, be my echo. A says ah, A says ah. Alphabet and apples, alphabet and apples. Antelope and antlers, antelope and antlers. Ah, 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 ah. What does A say? What does A say? A says ah, A says ah. Alligator acrobat, alligator acrobat. Astronaut and ankle, astronaut and ankle. A says ah, A says ah. Super! You guys are amazing! I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!